Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. Transferring Litecoin from your Arculus wallet to Metamask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to manage your assets more flexibly, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to move your Litecoin seamlessly, but remember, crypto can be risky, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and Metamask as a browser extension. If you haven't already, download and create accounts for both. Arculus is great for secure hardware storage, while Metamask is your go-to for interacting with DApps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the Litecoin section. Check your balance to ensure you have enough LTC to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Aim for a time when things are less busy to save costs. Next, hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient address from MetaMask. To get that, switch over to MetaMask. Make sure you're on the correct network. Litecoin uses its own blockchain, so you'll have to add it as a custom network if it isn't already. Go to the MetaMask settings. Add a new network with the Litecoin RPC details, which you can find on the official Litecoin website. Once that's done, copy your MetaMask wallet address. Back in Arculus, paste that address into the recipient field, specify the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and review the transaction details. Double-check for any typos. Crypto addresses are unforgiving. Then, confirm the transaction with your Arculus security features, like biometric authentication. After you send it, head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. Your Litecoin should appear shortly, depending on network speed. Once it's there, you're all set to use it for trading, staking, or whatever your crypto adventure calls for. In conclusion, transferring Litecoin from Arculus to MetaMask is straightforward once you know the steps, but always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into issues, check official docs or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.